So the question is bag of tokens. In this question, we have given a score and power integer. So these both are integers and a nums array in which there are tokens array in which there are tokens present. The value of tokens is present at the element of the token array. We have to return the maximum score we can achieve by making two possible things. First is we can, if first condition is if the power is at least equal to the token value, then we can decrement the powers by the token value and increment the score by 1. And the second is if the score is at least 1, then we can decrement the powers by the token value and increment the powers by the token value and decrement the score by 1. So in this question we have to return the maximum score we can achieve by using any number of tokens. It is not necessary that we have to use all the tokens. We can use 1 token, 2 token, or all tokens present in the tokens array. So here we will be using the greedy approach. We know that if the powers is at least equal to the token value, then we are getting a score of adding the score by 1. So here we are getting maximum score, like we are adding the score. And if the score is at least 1, then we are decrementing the power by the tokens value and then incrementing the powers by token value and decrementing the score. So in this the score is decrementing, but we are incrementing the power. So we will be using that token that has maximum value because we are incrementing the power by that token value, and this token value, by adding token value, the power becomes high number, and this power can be used further for that by making so that we can make our score maximum. So the approach is greedy. That is that first sort the tokens array and then use the smallest tokens for the first condition where we are decrementing the powers by the token value and incrementing the score, and the maximum token value use if we are using the first down condition where we are incrementing the powers by the token value and decrementing the score. So we will use first sort the nums tokens array, then use the 2 pointers I at the starting and j at the end, and till while I less than equal to j run a loop in which we are checking the first condition if powers is greater than equal to tokens I, because we are taking the initial condition for this condition. So decrement the power and increment the score by 1. Else if check if answer is greater than equal to 1, is at least 1, and it should not be the last token present. So we have to also check if I less than j and answer greater than equal to 1. In this case, the power will increment by the tokens value and the score will decrease. Else we cannot do both the conditions. Both conditions are getting us false answer. So both conditions are not running. So in the else we will directly return the score. And if the loop terminates, then we have to also return the score value only. So the score is maximized using this approach. So here we are using the 2 pointers I and j. If we do not want to use the 2 pointers, we can also use a dequeue, in which first insert all the tokens elements in the dequeue, and for the first condition, if the power is greater than equal to tokens I, take element from the starting of dequeue, from the front part of dequeue, and for second condition, answer greater than equal to 1, take element from the end of the dequeue. So here we are using a dequeue also. So yeah, this is the question.